How you guys doing? And welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Tapes, and today we have another sponsored unboxing video from LG. And today we have a crazy cool looking monitor. This is the 28MQ780. And this is a dual up monitor, which means that it has two 16:9 monitors on top of each other. And obviously, I've never used a different resolution on a monitor since 15 years ago, when you had those weird kind of like not 16:9, but this is two 16:9 monitors on top of each other. So this is brand new to me. Let's unbox this, let's check it out, let's do some work on it, and obviously we gotta try gaming on it as well. Okie McDokie, it's dual up monitor. This is gonna be really cool. It comes with an ergonomical stand.
Is it like square?
Yeah, it is square. It's not exactly square. It's two 16:9 on top of each other makes for exactly. So, and the ergo stand means that basically you attach it underneath your desk and then you can spin it around. And one of the key features is that if you use a normal monitor, the pixels are basically designed to go this way when you're looking at it. But if you flip a normal 16:9 monitor, you know, in the kind of like the upward shape, the pixels become kind of weird. So when you're looking at the image, it doesn't look as good. But this monitor and the pixels are designed to be viewed from all angles. So you can spin around how much you want, which I just think is really cool. Okay, this is the ergo stand.
Can definitely relate.
Yep, ooh. Oh, you see the shape of it. Look at that.
Whoa. No way! What? Oh, it's
you
like...
get it now.
I get it now. It's two 16:9s on top of each other.
Nice.
This could be like either perfect instead of having like a 3-monitor setup.
Exactly. That's literally the idea. And you can connect it. You can charge your laptop while from the like USB-C output and everything. We got the back of it. We got the VESA attachment, where the ergo stand goes, or a normal VESA monitor arm, two HDMI in, DisplayPort in, and the USB-C upstream and input as well. And we got two USBs. Not sure, and of course headphone jack and the power. So let's just set this one up. Ooh. There we go. Yo, check this out.
Okay, that looks super cool.
Ooh. Oh, look at that. Okay. Now,
whoa.
Let's get a little workstation vibe to it. On it.
Okay, let's see. First reaction. Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa! Oh, secret stuff going on here.
Stuff. Okay, blur all of it. Okay. Here we go.
Whoa!
Jäklar vad snyggt. Oh yeah.
We just adjusted. It didn't have change anything.
What? It looks so good. Automatically went to this resolution.
Wow! I want one.
I have one.
You have
2560 times 2880, which is like the default, but it looks so smooth. No way, it's charging my MacBook. You can actually go up here. Shoot, look at that.
It's charging.
It's up. At the same time, it's powering, what is that? Like almost a 4K display. It is also charging my MacBook.
Can we see some swivels?
Oh yeah. Okay. How do we... Oh, rotation. 180. 200. Now I should be able to rotate it like that.
Whoa!
Look at that. Yo, I have an idea. Okay, my computer is having a heart attack. Okay, check this out.
Whoa!
That's
seamless.
So awesome. That looks really cool. What happens if you connect a PS5 to this monitor? Okay, so I'm just gonna finish this, and
it's like 2-in-1.
then I'm just gonna change the face on that, and then I'm gonna jump in the boat.
Do you know what you need, Tobias?
You know what? I think I needed that anyway.
Do you know what you need?
No.
You need more hands.
I need more hands. Yeah, Mr. Hands.
Just imagine. Dude. You have like your OBS, and then up ahead you have your. Oh, it's like the it's like the perfect dual monitor setup.
And I know this video is sponsored, but we're excited for this. But Xbox, PlayStation at the same time. Let's go. All right?
Whoa.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. This is the thumbnail. This is crazy.
Wait, hold on. Oh, jump. Oh, there we go. Okay. Did I get all of these? No. Okay, wait, hold on. And okay.
Save the goal.
Okay. No, I can't open the chest yet. Okay, we gotta go back.
Has science gone too far?
Science went too far.
I really like this monitor. It's so clever and it's so easy. It took like 5 minutes to set up.
Are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
You are absolutely ready. So we got everything to work now, and just an FYI, this is brand new. We just set it up, and here is my streaming computer. You can see. Hello. Hey, Maurice. Do you have a YouTube channel? And this is OBS, and now I won't have to have chat on my streaming computer. I can have it on my gaming computer. And look, we are ready to play Call of Duty, and now ready to chat, and now I'm ready to do something and change scenes on my streaming computer. And it looks like I have 3 monitors, but I only have 2.
And like, look at the space it's taking, because it's just like a dual monitor setup, but with 3.
It's absolutely incredible. I mean, I'm gonna have to get used to this a little bit, but I think it's incredible. And obviously it might not be that often that you wanna play PlayStation and Xbox at the same time, but I'm sure some people will find a use for that. But mostly I think this is a work monitor that looks incredible. When we connected it to the MacBook, we were both blown away. So, I mean, I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel after using it for a little bit. But now, just incredible. Thank you so much, LG, for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching it.